Good day, everyone. This video lecture will be talking about the box plot in R. Okay, so box plot is a graph that gives us some good indication of how the given values or the given data set is spread out. Okay, so box plot also provides some indication if there's a data symmetry or skewness in your data set. Okay, so in R, first we need to load our data set, okay, in it, which we want to create our box plot. Okay, so again, we will use the air quality table. Okay, so it's a daily air quality measurement in New York from May to September 1973. Okay, so let's inspect. Okay, the air quality data. So run there. Okay. So now let's have the wind. Okay, the wind data set. So let's create a box plot in the third column of the given table. Okay. So in order to create a box plot, so we will use the box plot function. So box plot. Okay, and then the data set. Okay, so air quality dollar sign and the wind. Okay, sorry, not box, it's box. Okay, wrong spelling. So box plot. Okay, run. So you can check the graph. So as you can see, you have what? An outlier in our data. So we have extreme values in our data. We have three dots. Okay, if we're going to check the graph. Okay, so again, box plot, you can actually check the minimum, right? The minimum, the first quartile, the median, the third quartile, and of course the maximum value. Okay, so in this data set, it give us what? Some information also about our the outlier of the data. Okay, there. So we can improve this. Okay, we can improve the data set okay by having again the label, okay, the name of the graph, the x axis label, okay, or maybe the y-axis label. So you can do that. So it's the same with other graph. Okay, so naming the graph and having a label for x and y axis, it give us what, more meaningful graph, okay, than having no label at all. Okay, and then also you can include some color if you want. Okay, so let me delete this. You can, guys, you can include some, again, the name of their graph. But in my, okay, in this demonstration, okay, I will no longer add some name. Okay, but in your code, so please add some name. Okay, so here let's add some color. Okay, since we only have one data. Okay, so we only need one. Okay, one color. Okay, you can do that. Then run there. Okay. And also same with the histogram, you can create two box plot in one graph by using what? You can create again, let's have the wind. Let's have the wind and temp. Okay. So let's have new, we only, let's use another, let's just update this table variable. Okay. Data frame. And then have the wind, receive the air quality wind. Okay, that's the first column of our new data. And then another one is the temp, receive the air quality temperature. Okay. Then temp. So let's check the new data. So we will just update the content of new data. Okay, as you can see here. Okay, let's not use other variable. Let's just update the new data variable. And now let's create a plot. Okay, and then new data. So again, you can add some um, name of your graph, the X label, the Y label. Okay, but here let's just add color. So again, you have two data set, two columns. So let's have the orange. That's the first data. Second data or the second column in our new data variable. So let's say blue. Okay, just to differentiate the two data set. Okay, then run. Okay, there. So in our temperature, we don't have any outlier, but in the wind data, we have our extreme values. Okay, so I think that's it. So that's for the box plot. Okay.